We're at the Fort Mill Fire Department here celebrating our open house, our annual open house, where the community can come and meet those that serve them in a non-emergency capacity. This year's theme is Look, Listen, Learn. We want to look for hazards in our home, we want to listen for our smoke detector, and we want to learn 2 ways out of every room and out of our house. The type of events we have in vehicle extrication demonstration, we're going to have a confined space demonstration, and we're going to have a live burn side-by-side cell where you get to see the power of fire without a sprinkler and what a sprinkler can do to help diminish the hazard of fire. Locally owned Toppers here in Fort Mill was gracious enough to donate all the pizzas for our event. Everyone gets free pizza. We have the South Carolina National Guard. They brought a truck, which is really great. We've got York County Emergency Management, Les and Diane Woods from the South Carolina Fire Education Association. We have Piedmont Medical here with their ambulance. Fort Mill EMS is here with their ambulance. We have the Ghostbusters. They're a local charity group in upstate South Carolina, and they're awesome. The reason why we do an extrication demonstration is so people can see what they're actually doing. There's a certain method that they use when getting into a vehicle to save someone. And we want people to see that they're not just ripping apart a car, there's a purpose and there's a reason for what they're doing. Something new that the fire department started this year was a confined space, pretty much a rescue. We got all the training that was required and the materials that were required, and we built this prop in order to train. And we want to show the community that over time we're developing more and more ways for us to serve and to rescue. Something that was great that I was really adamant on getting was a side-by-side burn cell, and we have the Elks Lodge of Fort Mill that were more than gracious enough to provide monetary support for us to build that. They also provided us with volunteers that were much needed to come out to have them support the community that they serve, and to have them to serve with us has been great. We're doing this event at the end of Fire Prevention Week. It's been a long week. We've visited 4 elementary schools here in Fort Mill. We're doing 4 more next week. And hopefully we're going to reach up to 2,000 students this year. The fire station is part of the community, it's part of the town. We invite anyone in the town to come. You can support us, you can come and visit us, you can visit the firefighters at any time. We'll give tours of the vehicles. Our house is open to the community at any time.